we have some of the key aspects of the camera. We have its 1080p and it can go up to 4K. It's got a 12 megapixel sensor. It's got super view. It's waterproof. Here you can see it's got the Pro Tune setting, which you have to use color correction. It's got super view, and it's got a really good new auto low light. You can do time lapse on it. You can take many photos at once, and you can just take a normal video. These are the main setting modes. Here it says it has a Wi-Fi remote included, which is a really good function. If you haven't actually got the camera in hand, you can't see the screen. There's the GoPro app, which I will be doing a little review on this on my actual review section. It's really good because it can show you what the screen can see. And here the included accessories, the Wi-Fi remote and all the mounts for it. It comes with a few, so you can attach it to your helmet. Here we just tuck them in. We tuck the sides in because that's the easiest way not to get it to stick to the box. The outside comes out, and here we have the actual GoPro itself box. And then you just unravel this and pull it around until you take this off, and the top will come off really nicely. What I did was I took this off, and then I actually found it a bit hard to take it off. So I took out these two pins here, and then what I did was actually I decided to remove it by just pulling it actually off straight. So then I've got it separately, and I just squeezed it like this. It was quite a firm fit, but it came out with a bit of wiggling and squeezing. The actual remote unit first comes out like that, and then it comes out of its little holster with a little squeeze. And here we go, the remote. And here we have the actual GoPro, which is connected to this mount. So then what you do is you just actually unscrew the little pin here. So that pin just unscrews easily like this. And sorry for the camera refocus. And once it's out, that comes out. And here you have the GoPro in the hand. And we have the actual the mount, so we have the mount separate from it. And we can take out this plastic piece which is inside it, we can put it back together. This is actually a quick clip mount for the other bits, so it's actually really useful. There's an instruction manual. This is a more detailed instruction manual, which is really handy, which it's good because you can't only have it on your iPhone, you can also have a hard copy in the field. Here is some warranty information, which is boring old gibberish. Here we have our 3 GoPro stickers. I'll be using one for my helmet, one for my DJI Phantom, and one for my DJI Phantom box. And in the bottom here we have some key components. In here we have the actual skeleton back door, which is good for audio at fast speeds, but you don't need that waterproof. This is the cable which connects your GoPro to your computer for charging, and also to data sync it with your computer. And next in the box we have the remote controller charger. So this only charges it, and this then actually, once what you have to do is you have to flick one bit to the side. This metal bit comes out, then that goes in, then the end just plugs into your laptop, or if you have an iPhone charger you can use it with that. So then you can just take it out like that, and then you need to be sure to put this back in to maintain its waterproofing. So that just goes in like that, and that's all nice in. And this is a pivot arm, which is quite good if you want to attach it to something which is a bit too close and you want to get the stuff out of the shot, so you can get your perfect shot. Here we have our keyring for our remote, and this here is the battery for the main GoPro. It's actually really big for the actual GoPro size, and the actual GoPro, the components inside it are ridiculously small. It's incredible how GoPro actually managed to fit so many components in such a small camera. And now we are opening up the 2 sticky mounts which you can put on your helmet or car or something like that. This one's smooth and this one's actually flat. And here we actually have the little piece which maintains the position if it's using it for skiing or something like that, which if it falls off and it goes in the water, this is really, really bad. So here we actually have the camera itself. The included case is really good at being waterproof. GoPro itself, and now we're actually just taking off this back door, which I found a little tricky at first, and you really have to try and find the right position, and then it just comes off when you find that position, which I didn't manage to find at this point. So here we have the GoPro Hero Black Edition 3 Plus.